now we're formulating some sort of plan. Now we get some leadership from the CEO. Does this mean more pain to come for some of the insurance sector?
Well, I think it's too soon to say exactly what the implications are for insurance companies, but this is the most detail we've heard from this sort of mysterious venture from Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, and JP Morgan Chase in the year plus since it was announced. So, the announcement rattled insurance stocks. Initially, it'll be interesting to see what happens in the market tomorrow.
So we don't actually know yet the degree to which this is going to be a company that sort of works on behalf of employees of these three companies versus something that tries to develop solutions which it can then sell and license out to others. And we have the website up there, so it kind of makes it internet official now.
Right. So the details are still sketchy, but what they have said is that their initial focus will be on improving healthcare and reducing costs for the 1.2 million employees of those three founding companies. But they also said that they plan to share their solutions widely, and they describe this as a long-term effort that will be free from profit-making incentives. So that in the announcement today, they said that surplus will be reinvested into the venture to further its mission.
Okay, well, I guess long-term is a key word, because they announced this, in January of last year.
Correct.
And here we are, we're just now getting a name. We got the CEO, I guess, back during the summer.
In June.
But I guess the question is, I mean, what is the pace of this? I mean, it seemed like a good idea at the time, but a year seems like a long time for companies with these types of resources to not have something more to show for it.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how to gauge the pace of it. I think you look at the $3.5 trillion of U.S. healthcare spending system with tremendous inefficiencies, tons of complexity, a lot of thorny problems that a lot of companies have been trying to solve for years. I think maybe the question isn't, should they have more to show for it in the past year, but what are the kind of long-term implications of seeing, companies like, we know these are serious companies. We've seen what Amazon has done in the markets that it's disrupted. So, I think for existing established players in the healthcare market, that long-term commitment is maybe something to be, even more cautious about than if they said that we were going to have a silver bullet that fixed this tomorrow.